Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to change and how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all we have to open our contact list, so let's tap on it, then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap. And now we have to tap on this edit icon right here, the pencil icon. So first of all, let me remove the photo so you can see what you will see after entering the contact without the profile picture. And all you have to do right now is to tap on this profile icon, profile picture, and then you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it and simply find the photo you want to use. And here from this step we can change the position of this highlighted square. You can now really see that it is highlighted, but trust me, we can zoom in or out the photo and change the size of the highlighted square. And thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. Of course you can customize it just like you want to, so you can rotate the picture, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. As you can see, the photo will immediately appear in this section, so to confirm everything we have to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You can see the photo also on the contact list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.